welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion.
And we were discussing about the part of lines and angles, right? Lines and angles. So we will have to come across one angle that is known as formation of Z, right? If a Z is formed completely between two parallel lines, this is one parallel and this one another. So if I say AC, so A is equivalent to C. So we can also say that it is formation or Z formation. So another thing that is very common in lines and angles, it is formation of C. Formation of C is like this, like it's like a C, right? C. So this angle, if I say A and B, so A plus B is equals to 180. Property says that it's supplementary, or whenever supplementary is written, it means that it is equivalent to 180 degrees. Similarly, another same property, again these are parallel lines, please make a note of it. Again, property is formation of U. So U would be like this. Most of you would be saying, okay, it's like a 4, but it's more like a U. This is whatever it is, it's like C, this one is D. So again in the U formation, C plus D is equivalent to 180 degrees. So Z, same angle, C and U 180 degrees, and then the angles that make F, this one, this one, it's more like a steeper. For example, this is X, so this is X, right? So now you know why learning English was important when we were young, because now these are helpful in making deductions and making our lives easier in the geometry part. It's like this as well, these things. So if this is y, then this is y as well. So angles that make F. Another form of F would be uh, an F that is lying down. This one, this one. If this is Z, this is Z, right? So angles that form F, angles are equal. If this is X, this is X. If this is Y, this is Y. If this is Z, this is Z. It can be in any form. So the things that we covered in this part, the things that we are forming and that we have learned in this unit, because there were a couple of things, so I am repeating it. Z, same angle. Same angle, right? C and U. supplementary, and I'm writing f above, which means that the angles are same again. So you should be familiar with these topics. Okay, how about if you encounter a question like this? Question is, this, this is one right, this is, and this is. So this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is y. The figure shows parallelogram, and if we say that x is equals to 30, then value of y is, just giving you a few seconds to absorb the question, and then we will solve it. Okay, now solving this question. Well, if you are saying that it's a parallelogram, it means that the opposite angles are equal, and the same angles are supplementary as well. So we can say that if x is 30 over here, so it would be 30, 30, 30 plus y, since it's making a angle at a point, right, is equals to 180 degrees. 180 minus 90 is equals to y. So y is equivalent to 90, and when it is equivalent to 90, so it's 90. So it's more likely that it's a square if the angles are like this. Okay, now looking at an example where the formation of Z is tested quite evidently. This is the question. This, and this is another parallel. This is 36. This is x. This is 43. Now how can we do this? This one is equal to this. This becomes 43. This part becomes 36. So x is basically a combination of these two. So it becomes 79 degrees. Another question that will be testing this formation of that thing, because it is very common in exams. So it's like this, 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 this one, and this. So again two parallel lines. I am taking this as y. This is 50. This is 40. This is 30. So if I go like this becomes this part becomes. I have to change the color to give a better and a good idea about it. So for the first part, this is z. So this is, if this is 30 and this part is 30, and if the whole is 40, so 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, so this part remains 10. Now this z, it means that this is 10 degrees, and if this is 10, then the value of y would be 50 minus 10, that is equivalent to 40. This is 40. I hope that it's clear now, the formation of that concept. I have covered it into a separate unit because it's very likely, right, to appear in the examinations. Giving you a couple of minutes to digest it as a whole, to look at the steps like this one, this, and we have this. This is 2-1. This is about the first part over here. Then this is over here. Then this is over here. I might write the question this one again because it has become pretty blurred. This was the line. This is it. This is taken. This is taken. This is 30. This is 40. This is 50. This is y, right? So we went all the way up, right? This is 30, so this is 30, this is 10. If this is 10, then this is 10, this is 40, and this is 40, then y is equals to 40. I have repeated this concept again because it has a tendency of troubling most of the students. So I hope that I have made it clear this time around.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.